Good morning, professor, students, and to all the viewers. Today I am Ronik Biswal along with my teammates has got the opportunity to speak about the topic application of AI in mining, and this topic was provided to us by our professor Dr. Anup Kumar Tiwari. And before speaking about the topic application of AI in mining, let's get a glimpse about what is mining and AI and how does its inception aligns. Mining is the process of extracting useful minerals from the earth. The process of mining dates back to the prehistoric people first mined flint, which was ideal for shooting and cutting. It was ideal for tools and weapons. For other minerals such as coal, iron ore and for petroleum just came in few years before the birth of the new mining. Before speaking about the topic application of AI in mining, let's get a glimpse about what is mining and AI and how does its inception aligns. Now my friend Shreyans is going to speak about what is AI and how did it originated. Hand over to you. Thanks.
Artificial intelligence (AI) refers to the ability of systems, machines, especially computers, to do things that exhibit traits equivalent to human intelligence. Beginning of modern AI can be traced to classical philosophers' attempt to describe human thinking as a symbolic system. Examples of AI include social media, electronic payment gateway, face detection, and maps and navigations. Advantages are AI takes down the time taken to perform a task. AI has a huge market potential and it can be deployed across industries like mining. Operates 24/7 without any interruption and any downtime. The field of AI wasn't formed until 1956 at a conference in Dartmouth University in New Hampshire.
Mineral prospecting and exploration. Mineral prospecting is the first and the most step of any mining sector. Next slide. Mineral prospecting means geological study of searching and locating prospecting minerals, fossils, precious metals or mineral species with use of handheld tools only. Next slide. AI is capable of processing millions of data points and learn from historical data. It helps to find exploration targets and predict possible mineral bed in earth crust all over the world with increased accuracy. It can provide real-time insight for improving process in mining sector. AI is also able to study terrains, environment for making better site prediction. Exploration. Artificial intelligence has capability of mapping of geographic location from multiple and help in prospecting for minerals such as industry raw materials, gemstone or fertilizer minerals. Geologists also utilize machine learning algorithm to discover ores. Introduction of AI in mining. Artificial intelligence is all around us and it undoubtedly going to have a huge impact in mining sector. The mining industry produces everything from gold to platinum and indirectly impacts the economy of country. Mineral exploration industry is greatly influenced by AI and machine learning technologies. Companies are taking leverage of artificial intelligence, implementing this technology to increase the efficiency and success rate of exploration minerals.
Improving efficiency in mining through artificial intelligence. First of all, know your operations. First and the most important thing, any field technology is to have all knowledge about your aspects of our operations, which provide us where we have invest our time the most and what are our prime objective. Here we can take the best use of artificial intelligence. Provide access to information. Provide access to information. As we always see, mines are in hilly and mountainous region, where we find lack of communication and connectivity. Here all can help in the best navigation of any resource and way of transport means and communication. Review and define process. After any operation completion, we can review our performance and find out where we lagged behind and what other measures we could have taken to maximize our performance. And again we find artificial intelligence are best in business, which can provide all information about your field. Some more advantage of use of artificial intelligence in mining are regular training, analysis of workers, financial strategies which can be used to maximize the profits of the operation.
Self-driven hauler are also known as autonomous vehicles, equipments, drill, loaders, etc. So self-driven haulers are also known as autonomous equipments. So please don't get confused by it. Next slide please. AI in mining refers to use self-driving vehicle which allows us to use automobile mining vehicles which can operate 24/7 without any need to stop for the human fatigueness, tiredness or dizziness, which is very common in the mining industry today. And mining industry makes the ideal place for the self-driving vehicles today. Next slide please. The machines are safer and cheaper to operate than ones with human. As we know, human we have to give human wages every day for a human to work, but for machine we don't need to give wages every day. They can operate for long time, for too many days, for just for a single wage. Next slide please. The mining company Rio Tinto. Here I have taken an example of mining company Rio Tinto, which is currently using self-driving trucks at their mining operation in Australia. The trucks are produced by Japanese company Komatsu, and sometimes they also use the company's product Caterpillar, and they are using 76 trucks in the Australian mine.
Digital effectiveness is the minor sector topic. There is a disconnect between potential and reality of digital transformation. Next slide. Taps into data collection from mine through advanced sensor technology and analytics to improve performance, reliability, safety and operations. Next slide. Automation and remote operation. The measure has shown how automation, mining equipment including drill, trucks and trains, and remote operations can improve safety, productivity and reduce costs in large-scale operations. Real-time data capture. Advance in Internet of Things technology are enabling connected network of low-cost, highly capable sensors to capture data in real time to enable integrated planning, control and decision support. Digital twins, this is geological engineering and asset data. A digital model of the physical environment constructed using geological engineering and asset information can be continuously updated with data from sensors and location-aware mobile devices.
Mining equipment monitoring. Mining equipment monitoring is the monitoring of any equipment needed in mining offices. Basically, any industrial operation needs some equipment. That's why managing equipment is a very important part of proper execution of any industrial operation. Now we are going to find out how AI can help. Monitoring of fuel consumptions and operation modes of mining and carrying equipment. Now it is basically defined here. So it is about carrying and loading. If a AI can do it in place of any man, he or she can consistently work without any proper workload. So we are going to get a consistent work with proper quantities, and these are the things we require: rock trucks, bulldozers, rollers, which generally needed in mining work. Now next slide. The main feature of technotrons and solutions for carrying equipment is using DFM marine fuel meters. In mining, there are very heavy vehicles are used, so the fuel consumption is not a very big issue. That's why very less attention is paid on it. But fuel consumption can be a profitable margin for any company. That's why we need some fuel data analytics also, which is very hard for a person to do. That's why AI are used in place of it, which can give an idea of even second to second consumption of fuels, which can easily give a proper margin over a long period of time for any particular company, especially mining in our field. Next slide please. The solution can be extracted with Excel nodes and bucket positions monitoring. It's are some other work which are meaning with load and shift basically, because there is a lot of transportation, mining also and processing with vehicles if there are so. Not very AI cannot very help in this in equipment monitoring, but it is something like load and shift easy for it. So this is how AI can help in equipment monitoring, which is a very vast and secondary load in a mining industry. So this is how it can help, and AI is not basically right now using, so we cannot have any examples, but it is a future aspect of mining. Because I don't think there is much to, there is some telematic services, so that is not very, there is all communication based only, SMS, email, messengers, telematics. Okay, so thank you.
Automating geotechnical inspections. Here, we take about the aerial inspections of the open pits in mining. So we use the computers, the different systems, how we can be able to make different systems, put different possibilities to detect mines and provide inspections. Perform automated open pit inspections using aerial photography and computer vision with a knowledge about machine learning. There are geotechnical data gathering testing methods that might be automated. We'll explore a few possibilities here. Here there are tasks in geotechnical exploration that could automate relatively very soon. The three tasks that may be automated are data collection, soil detection, which is also a part of lab testing, and geotechnical report writing. Data collection. Here geotechnical engineers collect information from various sources, which can be about soil, groundwater, the pH of the soil, and everything that is necessary to make possible the mining and all the different prospects about it. Perhaps going forward, the exploration begins with an AI searching for the available digital stored data which is historically present in the systems, which is also a part of the AI. Boring wells, logs, storage agency, and already all this data is present in their systems. Afterwards, the field work could be supervised remotely with an AI with robotic drilling in person. Soil classification and lab testing. The field sample content could be brought into an automated lab by aerial drone with barcodes to identify their individuality. It should be possible to develop robots with ability to test soil naturally without any human interference or without any engineers having to work upon it from time to time. The structure for this is already in place with advanced technologies in various countries, but India being lagged in this case are trying to catch up with the process. And with this automated soil testing machine, advanced robotics and electronic boring logs, the process of mining could be very much easy, less time consuming, less hazardous for the people working in the mines, and it can be able to enhance the procedure of mining. The geotechnical report writing. Now after collecting the data and doing the lab testing with different soils and having it properly established and studied, now it is obviously needed to create a report about it. Using the collected data, it could complete the analysis and engineering report. In this case also, the human effort can be severely reduced by already having the data and already putting it into the AI or the computer systems or the advanced computers, so that it can directly analyze the system without the engineers having put the hours of work into it. The software is already in place to analyze this complex 3D structures and 3D buildings and 3D machineries. During the AI learning process, human engineers would evaluate whether their recommendations could be helpful or not, and learn from that their efficiency can also increase from it, and their practical advice on how, and they can practically advise on how they could proceed with the future prospects of mining.
My name is Ronnie Bissell and I have got the privilege to speak about my topic, improving safety in mining. From mine cleavage to gas explosions and extreme temperatures, mining accidents are extremely dangerous. However, they can be manageable and avoidable through the help of AI and IoT, which is also known as Artificial Intelligence and Internet of Things, for which is done for the safety of our workers. And especially AI is also an overall improvement in safety, productivity and increase of utilization of our equipment. How AI helps in boosting mining safety? Predictive technologies are taking the mining world by Storm, providing new insight to help companies avoid not only to take dangerous situations but also to avoid losing huge amount of money from making huge mistakes. Companies may be leveraged and AI algorithms consisting of sensors, alarms, and mobile and web applications. Sensory monitors and can detect any hazardous issue and alarm immediately, warn about the casualties which is about to occur. Data is analyzed in real time and is transferred into easy navigation recommendations. All of this is displayed in the application in the form of guidance. And using real-time data and analytics, AI in the mining industry can predict process failures. With AI, mining companies know where to deploy autonomous machines instead of the staff. It's all thanks to the technology that data-driven decision-making capabilities now possible. How is AI in mining can have significant contribution to the reduction since they have helped initiate immediate actions to prevent injuries. For example, operators can monitor the state of mines, sensors installed on equipment gather real-time data and send it to the cloud for analysis. This helps in detecting potential spillage and breakdowns in the cells. If something goes wrong, engineers are notified immediately and can quickly act to mitigate hazards, which basically they are trying to save themselves before the occurrence of any kind of hazardous problems which can occur. AI can also be used to detect any avoidable potential obstacles in mines. Mining trucks equipped with tags, radars, video monitoring and infrared systems see hindrances and notify machinery operators. Based on the sensitive data, IoT suits can plan the safest pathway around an obstacle. No engineer intervention is necessary, saving lives. How in AI in mining is helping monitoring staff well-being? Well, AI in mining has also brought positive effects like in personal health management. Miners are also at constant risk of downturns and fatigueness and injuries and such kind of injuries which can affect their health. But AI is now improved in such a way that it can protect lives. And also to monitor workers underground, vendors offer various smart devices like watches, helmets, vests and caps. These devices are provided with real-time information about major parameters and notify of any deviation. This may help save lives and consequently reduce work-related injuries and costs. Basically, it's talking about devices like Fitbit and all kinds of instruments, but basically they are equipped with AI which helps them to manage their health in a much more better way.